Hey guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today, I enjoy Japanese special breakfast. First, make the traditional Japanese omelette, Tamagoyaki. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and mix. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mix them. Heat a square frying pan. Add oil to the frying pan. Spread the oil thinly. Put 1/3 of the egg into the frying pan and spread it thinly. Heat over medium heat until the eggs are browned on one side. Hold the egg 3 to 4 times from the edge of the egg. Move the egg and reapply the oil to the frying pan. Spread half of the remaining egg over the pan. Spread the egg under the first baked egg as well. Hold the egg again several times. Spread the oil over the frying pan again. Add the rest of the egg to the frying pan and spread them out. Spread the eggs under the baked eggs as well. After one side of the egg is cooked, hold the egg again. The Japanese Tamagoyaki has been completed. Wrap the Tamagoyaki with cooking cloth. Press the egg over the cloth with your hands and shape it. Let the Tamagoyaki cool for a few minutes. Next, make the spinach dish. Wash the spinach well under running water. Place the washed spinach on a plate and cover with plastic wrap. Heat in the microwave at 600 watt for 2 minutes. Place spinach in a bowl. Add 100 ml of dashi stocks. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cooking sake and mix it. Then let the flavor soak into the spinach for a few minutes. Next, make salmon rice balls. Bake the salmon in a frying pan. Aluminum foil prevents the fish from burning. Sprinkle with little salt. Once one side is browned, flip the salmon over. Sprinkle salt on the back side as well. When the fish is cooked, use chopsticks to break it up into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and mix. Add salmon to 400 grams of rice. Tear off as much seaweed as you like and add it. Mix them well. Spread the crushed crab and put the rice on top. Pin the edge of the wrap and wrap the rice. Using both hands, shape the rice ball into triangle. This video introduces how to make onigiri. Please look at it. Make another rice ball. Finally, cut the finished dish. Cut off the edge of tamagoyaki and cut it to your desired thickness. Remove roots from spinach and cut into 500 mm lengths. Serve your food on your favorite plate. Onigiri, spinach meal, tamagoyaki, and your favorite pickles. Finally, make miso soup. Please watch this video and learn how to make miso-dama miso soup that can be made just by frying hot water. A special Japanese breakfast has been completed. Today, I made Japanese breakfast. A traditional Japanese breakfast is low-fat, energizing, and healthy. You will be able to enjoy the deliciousness and beauty of Japanese breakfast.
Thank you for reviewing our Japanese breakfast. It is easy to cook and so healthy, so please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!